Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for a hearty beef stew, cooked Irish style. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Now on our cooker we take a heavy base saucepan and we're going to add some olive oil to it. Bring that to a smoking point and then we're going to add our beef. We'll cook our beef until it's browned. This normally takes about between 5 and 8 minutes depending on your beef. Give it a good seasoning with some salt and pepper and just move it around until it cooks. Now folks, if you find value in my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make more videos for you. As you can see, our beef is cooked, starting to go brown. So take a slotted spoon and just remove it from the pan. Now we reduce the heat on our pan to a medium and then we're going to add our onion. Give that a stir around, cook it for 4 to 5 minutes just until it's translucent, and then we'll add our plain flour. Again, give this a stir around, cook it for a couple of minutes. You want to cook the flour flavour out of it, but we're going to use it as a thickening base for our stew. Then we're going to add some garlic. Give that a stir around, cook it for about 1 minute just so the garlic doesn't burn. Now to our pan we're going to add about half our stock. Again, give that a stir around, let it thicken up. Scrape the bottom of the pan, make sure that you get all the juices off. Starting to thicken, now we'll add the rest of our stock. Again, give that a quick stir around and then we're going to start to add our vegetables. So we start with celery, carrots, and we give a squirt of tomato ketchup, a bay leaf. You can use dried or fresh, I just used fresh from the garden, some dried thyme or fresh, whichever, some freshly chopped rosemary, and then we'll return our beef to the pan. Again, give that a good stir around. And we'll add another pinch of salt. Pop the lid on, let that cook for about an hour, just depending on your cooker and the thickness of your beef. So after an hour, just remove the lid, give it a stir around, and then we're going to add our potatoes. Pop the lid back on, and then we'll cook that for another 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, just give it a good stir around. Remove the bay leaf. Just let it simmer with no lid on for another half an hour, just to thicken up, and then we'll check that the potatoes are cooked. So now that our gravy is thickened, our potatoes are cooked, it's time to serve our hearty beef stew. There's no need for accompaniments for this, folks. It's thick, it's hearty, it's just nice. It's really good. So now folks, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And again, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my further videos.